How to set iPhone navigation button. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, go to AssistiveTouch at the top. AssistiveTouch allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen or if you require an adaptive accessory. Over here, go to Customize top-level menu. From here, tap an icon to change. If you want to add another icon, then tap on the plus icon as shown. Choose any tool or feature from the options. For example, camera. And then, tap on the tick icon. Go back to the previous page and go over to the Custom Actions section. Here, go to Double Tap. From the System section, select Home. After that, double tap on the back of your phone and you will then be taken to your home screen. Following these steps, you can easily set iPhone navigation button.